More Prime deals coming your way, guys. This is part 2 of day 1 of Amazon Prime Day. I'm making this video again right now. I know it's a little bit early in the day still, but I wanted to make this video because there are a few limited time deals. At least that's how they have them listed. So I'm assuming once they're gone, they're gone. So sort of a lightning deal kind of situation. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this right into the computer. Start off with deal number 1, which is a limited time deal. So here it is, guys. This is a 20 volt Dewalt Max cordless impact driver kit. This is the brushless version, and it comes with 2 batteries and a charger for $99. So 45% off. Fantastic deal there. Moving right along, this one's a little bit different. This is a pet hair dryer, a pet dryer, so when you wash your dog or whatever, you can dry them off. However, this is essentially the same thing as a lot of the kind of tug-along versions of a car dryer. This one does not have wheels, but other than that, it looks to be the same kind of thing. You can adjust the temperature of the heat coming out, as well as the force of the air. So this one's 50% off right now, bringing it down to $94.96. I haven't used this personally, so I don't know, but if you're looking for a alternative to like some of the name brand ones, this could be a good option. 4.6 stars out of 1,005 ratings, so I'm assuming it's a pretty good unit. Check it out. If it's not good, obviously it's Amazon, right? Test it out. If it doesn't work, send it back. But I think that should be a pretty good little unit. Item number 3 is another deal from VacMaster, and this one I think was a limited time deal, but this is a 12-gallon, 5 peak horsepower unit, which is my preferred horsepower range when using a vacuum. I feel that if it's higher than that, it kind of sucks along the carpet too much. If it's less than that, it doesn't pick up as much, so I think that's the sweet spot. There's a wet dry vac and has the detachable blower option on top, so really, really cool. Again, 58% off, so it brings it down to $68.20. As always, guys, all these deals are going to be linked down in the description below, so don't worry about having to search them. Sometimes you type in a name and it still doesn't come up, but the link will be directly in the description below, so just click on that and it'll take you right to that page. Now, moving on to the next item, this one's a little bit different, not so car detail related, but this is more shop or house related, and it's a robotic vacuum from Shark. This is the Shark AV911S Easy Robot Vacuum with the self-empty base. So it's cool. I guess it's a week, 30-day capacity, it says. How accurate is that? I don't know. But basically, it'll go around, suck everything up for you, come back to base, empty itself out, and go back out. 50% off. It's normally $4.99, on sale for $2.49. I actually just ordered this myself for my house. Now, for all you guys in the mobile situation, mobile detailers, or if you just need backup power around your house, couple options for you here. First up is the Westinghouse iGen 2200. $369. That's 38% off of the original price of $600. We also have another one if you need a little bit more power. It's still an inverter generator, so you're going to get a clean sine wave. You don't have to worry about it with your electronics. You can still power things with it. But this one is from PowerSmart, and this one is a 4,400 watt for $349. Not the same sort of enclosed, so it's probably going to be a little bit louder, but still, they rate this thing as super quiet. So maybe worth checking out there if you need a little bit more power. So moving right along, for a battery powered option or solar powered option, we have one of the EcoFlow portable power stations. I actually did a review on this. I got one from Costco a while back. That is currently on sale from $1,000 down to $699. So 30% off. That's a really cool unit. It's not the most power, most storage, but it has enough to get the job done. I used it in my detailing business. I really, really like that unit. It's fantastic. Moving right along, back to the car detailing side of things, Meguiars has deals available now. So this is their whole page. I'm going to link you guys directly to their page so you can kind of sort it out and see what you want. But deals on polishes, they have the 105, 205 on sale. My favorite is 110 and 210. I didn't see those on here, but whatever. 105 and 205 are still good. They just seem to dust a little bit more. They also have the Meguiars Ultimate Polish and Ultimate Compound, I believe, is on here as well. But those are fantastic also. If you don't need the quantity of full 32-ounce size, you can get those, and those will be great for you as well. $13 for that. It's a good deal. The ceramic tire shine, it's a sprayable dressing and it works good. It's nothing super outstanding, but I like it. It works good. Obviously, they have their waterless wash and wax. And then they actually have a couple of kits like this, which is pretty cool. So you guys can kind of browse through all this Meguiar stuff and see what works for you. Now next up we have some accessories for your vehicle that you should always have on hand. I've done a bunch of reviews on this brand in the past specifically, so I wanted to cover them for you guys here, and that is the Fanttik brand. They make really small portable jump starters for your vehicle, as well as tire inflators, and then also some little vacuum units. So really cool. They have their Prime Day deals here, 20% off, normally $120 down to $95, but then if you click into that and you actually click the, there you go, apply $10 coupon, that's gonna bring it down even more. So just make sure to apply those coupons if they're there, because you can save extra money. Okay, now moving on to a blower. Again, another good way to dry your vehicle. This one is from Ego. Ego is very, very well known for making fantastic battery powered equipment. And this is their Ego 3-speed turbo, 56 volt, 530 CFM unit. It's not the big boy. The big boy is the 765 CFM, but it's more than twice the price of this one. This one's currently on sale, 24% off, bringing it down to $152. So really cool unit there. Again, this is the 765 CFM unit, not on sale. It's $329. So like I said, it's more than double the price. For me personally, using it every day in my business, I'm still going to offer the 765. I actually have one that I'm still going to be doing a review on, but the 530 should still be enough power to get what you need done. Moving on to drill brushes. I absolutely love drill brushes. You can use them around the house, use them in the cars. Fantastic units. You just hook it up to a drill, and then you have powered brushing ability. It makes your life so much easier. On sale right now, 20% off, down to $15.19. I use the white ones. They're the correct stiffness that I like for detailing cars. But as you can see down here, there's all the different color options, and those are different strengths of the bristle. Moving on to a couple more brushes from the SPTA brand. Just a nice little variation kit of brushes here. So it's kind of going to cover the majority of stuff you need for your tires and interiors as well. Well, not full interiors, not the mini brushes, but your upholstery and carpets. So 20% off, $16.79. Going into a heated carpet extractor from Adams. They actually they made this with Sandia, I believe. It was the brand that they partnered with for this. Fantastic heated extractor, guys. If you compare this to like a Mighty Light 2, that thing's like $1,400. This one's normally $1,200. It's currently on sale, 20% off to $959. So if you need a heated extractor, this is a fantastic choice. So I know it's still a big number. Not everyone's gonna be looking for that, but if you are in the market for one, that's a really good choice. Moving on to Karcher. Karcher's got some deals on their electric pressure washers. 24% off of the K1700 Cube. The regular 1700, 32% off, but same price, $130. I don't know if these other ones are on sale or not. Yeah, 15% off. So again, I'm going to link to this page so you guys can just go in and check out all the Karcher deals on these electric pressure washers. I still, for me guys, the best pressure washer deal I found is the one from Greenworks. I did it in the original video that I did already. $54 for a 1600 PSI electric pressure washer. Fantastic deal. So make sure if you haven't seen that video already, I'll link it up here for you guys so you can go back and check that one out as well. There's definitely more deals to be had there. Those are still live and good to go. Fantastic deals on that first video. Moving right along, we have the Max Shine line up here, and not a lot of deals going on here, but I do see that their Max Shine drying towel, the 24 by 36, so good size, 2 feet by 3 feet, just says click to see price. So we'll click into it, add it to cart, is what I did already actually, and it is $30.88. So just another option for a drying towel there for you. Moving on to the Scrub Ninjas. Now, in the first video that I did, they weren't on sale. They are on sale now, and it's a fantastic, fantastic price, so I definitely recommend you guys get these. I love these things. I sell them on my personal site. I don't have a sale going on right now, so if you want to save the money, go here. That's a fantastic deal. $10.46 for a 3-pack of Scrub Ninjas. These things are fantastic. One side is like a really short brush bristle, so for agitating car seats and all that kind of stuff, they work phenomenally well. I love those things. Highly recommend there. And I think last deal here is, again, another thing that I saw on my site, but it's currently on sale on Amazon for Prime Day. So the Dreadnought Max XL, this is their Dreadnought Max towel. It's a little bit thicker, so it stays in place a little bit better. When you throw it across, you know, the roof of a car or whatever, it doesn't fold up on itself. It kind of stays together, so you can bring it back and dry everything off. Another fantastic deal. So check that one out. And then I just saw here the Amphibian as well. One side's a twist loop, the other side's plush. Also on sale, 14 bucks for a 20 by 30. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing another video today. I will update you guys if I see any special deals, but we're definitely going to be covering more stuff tomorrow as well. So thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.